Sun coming up, boats leaving the dock. Good friends, tight lines. Let's go!
Oh, dude. Just gotta have some weight to it.
Nobody cares who catches what, and somebody hooks their very first one, and the whole damn boat lights up. Flying cameras rolling, that smile says everything. Doesn't matter if first catch feels like a win.
Yeah, this thing is funny.
Let the good times roll out on the water. That's where we go. Laughing too loud, giving each other hell, making memories and stories to tell. From first catches to self-releases, some days the fish just get the best of us. Side by side, just living free.
Oh, fuck!
No.
Oh.
Yeah, somebody missed one at the side of the boat.
Can't.
Just take a nick.